see you come in. I'm Pete, and aside from playing my favorite folk songs by artists like Lady Gaga, I do enjoy a good hot cup of tea. So, let's begin, shall we? Oh, hello again. You know, like I said before, I love a good cup of tea, and like any good drinker, I always measure before I start to sip it. Ah, isn't it great to have a refreshing, awesome workspace to do all your work in? So, let's go, and do some measurements. Well, it looks like the diameter of this cup is about 3.5 inches. So, let's do that, shall we? Meaning the radius is going to be about 1.25 inches. Now, let's measure the height. That's about 4.5 inches. Don't forget your units. Hey, once again, it's me. And, like every good drinker of tea, you gotta measure how fast the water's rising in the cup. So, let's do this, shall we? Ruler in one hand, cup in the other. Let's go. So, looks like every second it's raising about 1.5 inches. So, let's get to work. And this is 1.5 inches per second. Huh, looks like someone really loves Pete here, huh? So low.
Hey, okay, time to do some math.
Come on. So, before we made a slight mistake. We measured the radius of the mug to be 1.25 inches, when in actuality, it's 1.7 inches. We did that on purpose to make sure you're actually watching. Thumbs up for that. Okay, so let's do the darn problem already, shall we? Okay, so a cylindrical mug has a height of 4.5 inches with a radius of 1.75 inches. There we go. If the water level is rising at 1.5 inches per second, at what rate is water flowing into the mug after 2 seconds? So, as we measured before, as a good tea drinker does, we got the radius of the mug to be 1.75 inches, and we got the height of the mug to be 4.5 inches. We also measured the rate of water rising in the mug to be at 1.5 inches per second, and because it's after 2 seconds, we multiply 1.5 inches times 2, getting 3 inches. So, let's do this equation, shall we? So, to find the volume of a cylinder, we get volume equals pi r squared times height. Then we plug in the radius of our mug, which is 1.75, and we get volume equals pi 1.75 squared times height. We then do not derive the radius of the mug because it is a constant. It is not changing. So, we get dV over dt equals 3.0625, because that's what 1.75 squared is equal to. Derive the height, we get dH over dt times pi. Now, we plug in 1.5 inches per second, which is the rate of the height rising in the cup, and we get 3.0625 multiplied by 1.5 times pi, which equals the rate of water coming into the cup at 3 inches is 4.594 pi inches cubed per second. And that's the answer.